Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a question that's been on everyone's mind: is crypto a good investment? First things first, let's understand what cryptocurrency is. It's a type of digital money that uses secure technology called cryptography. You might have heard of Bitcoin, but there are many other cryptocurrencies out there too. People are drawn to crypto because they think it could make them a lot of money. Some cryptocurrencies have seen huge price increases, which means big profits for those who invested early. But here's the catch. Cryptocurrency prices can go up and down like a roller coaster. They can change a lot in a short time. So, if you're thinking about investing, be ready for the possibility of big wins or big losses. One cool thing about crypto is that it's decentralized. That means no one company or government controls it. Instead, it's based on a technology called blockchain, which makes transactions secure and hard to tamper with. Another advantage is that investing in crypto can diversify your investment portfolio. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you spread the risk. So even if one investment doesn't do well, others might. But, and it's a big but, there are risks involved. Crypto is still new and not regulated like traditional investments. So, before you jump in, educate yourself and do your research. Learn about the different cryptocurrencies and stay updated with market trends. So, is crypto a good investment? Well, it's not a simple yes or no. It can potentially bring high returns, offer security through decentralization, and diversify your portfolio. But remember, it's also highly volatile, and you need to be cautious. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And always remember to invest responsibly.